Orbiting close to our Sun is a planet that 80% of scientists and 96% of humanity doesn't give a about. It's hot, it's fast, and it is only a little bit bigger than Earth's moon. Now we educate the masses on the bird planet seemingly everyone forgot about. Mercury, today on P&K In Depth. Named for the fleet-footed Roman messenger god that never skipped leg day, Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, zipping around our parent star at an average of 36 million miles away. Living up to its name, Mercury is the fastest planet in the solar system, speeding along about 29 miles per second and completing each orbit around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. Mercury is also the smallest planet in the solar system, measuring just over 3,000 miles wide at its equator. That makes it only slightly larger than Earth's moon, and the first to declare that size doesn't matter. Because Mercury is so small and so close to the Sun, it is the most elusive of the 5 planets that are visible to the naked eye. Like a high-paid you can only catch Mercury at dawn and dusk, and it usually does not rise far above the horizon. Like the other planets in the solar system, Mercury was born about 4.5 billion years ago, condensing from the swirling ring of space left over from the Sun's formation. Mercury became what's known as a terrestrial planet with a dense nougat metallic core, a rocky caramel mantle, and a solid buttery crust. However, the small planet cooled very quickly, contracting enough within the first billion or so years to prevent magma from escaping through the outer crust and ending geologic activity such as volcanism and Scientology on the surface. Despite its proximity to our star, Mercury is not the hottest planet in the solar system. It's a New York 8 or a solid LA 4. With no atmosphere to trap heat or wannabe actors from the Midwest, surface temperatures on Mercury can swing from 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day to negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Mercury may even have reservoirs of ice running through its veins, sitting deep inside permanently shadowed craters at its poles. By contrast, the surface of hazy Venus sits at a sweltering 880 degrees Fahrenheit year-round, making it the hottest planet in our solar system, but also the most stuck up and the most One of the most notable features on Mercury is Caloris Basin, a big impact crater about 960 miles wide that formed early in the planet's history. Like the Minnesota Vikings, Mercury has no rings. It also has no moons and a relatively weak magnetic field that strength is about 1% of Earth's. Mercury also has no known satellites or Wi-Fi. Its game is just weak, bro. So Mercury just sits there by the Sun like a small spinning orb of condensed space with practically no reason or purpose. So there, now you know more about Mercury. As if you give a anyway.